Is your iPhone camera showing a black screen? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This can happen because of a camera app glitch, background app conflicts, low storage, or a temporary iOS bug. Let's fix it step by step. Swipe up to open the app switcher. Close the camera app completely, then open it again. Restarting your iPhone fixes most camera glitches. Turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Open the camera app and switch between front and rear cameras. This can reactivate the camera sensor. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera. Make sure camera access is enabled for the camera app and any apps you're using. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage. If storage is full, delete unused apps or files. Low storage can cause camera issues. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to fix camera bugs. If the camera is still black, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, reset all settings. This won't delete your data. If the screen stays black, the issue may be hardware related, especially after a drop or water exposure. Remove thick cases or lens covers that might block the camera. And that's it. These steps should fix the iPhone camera black screen issue. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.